Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my co-washing routine. Now I typically do this once a week, so I'm not using shampoo. What I'm going to be using today is this deep conditioner. I've always loved this deep conditioner since I was younger. It always left my hair soft and very manageable to work with. I'm also going to be using some clips, my comb on this side, and my water bottle. So let's get started. Starting with this back section, I'm going to get it very nice and damp so it's easy to work with. Okay, this is how it looks. It still smells the same from when I was younger. I'm gonna take about this amount and I'm just gonna work my way up. I'm going to go back in with a little bit more. Now I'm going to detangle this part. Now I'm going to twist it up, and I want to make sure I definitely get the ends, so I'm going to take a little bit more product. And that's all I'm doing. So I'm going to do this for the rest of my hair, and I'll be back. So now that my hair is all twisted up, I'm going to take my clip, or take a clip, and put everything on the top of my hair, well, on the top of my head, and clip it. Then I'm gonna go in with my shower cap. And now I'm gonna leave this on my head for about 45 minutes to an hour. Hey guys, so I'm back. My hair's all washed. And now I'm gonna go in with the conditioner that I'm gonna use today for my co-washes. I'm gonna use this conditioner because I like how it's been making my hair feel after every wash. So I'm gonna split my hair down the middle. From that one conditioner, my hair does feel way softer. I typically comb my hair once a week, so I don't have a lot of manipulation with my hair, so I'm not losing a lot of hair. The only reason why I'm doing my conditioner like this instead of washing it like normal is because I want to get the max moisture I can. I'm gonna take about this much. Each section starts getting dry, you can spritz your hair with water, but right now my hair isn't dry. So now I'm just gonna twist up my hair. And then I'm gonna continue doing this to each section. So now I'm gonna wash this out. Hey guys, so my hair is all washed now. This is my microfiber towel. This is typically how crazy my hair looks afterwards. This part has always been a little bit shorter than the rest of my hair, so the twist comes out easy. Just gonna twist it back up. And I'm gonna focus on this back section. So I typically don't do this often. I believe a few months ago you seen me do my blowout with this hairbrush. I'm gonna be doing a blowout again today. I'm gonna be using that to do some nice little sleek styles during this week. So the leave-in conditioner I'm gonna use is this one. If you have not seen my review on this Cantu line, I do have a video from about 2-3 weeks ago. Please go and check that out. I'm gonna take about this amount, and you will know that I love these products. So now that that's completely worked in, I'm just going to pin up my hair for right now. Work on my next sections, and then I will be blowing out my hair. I also have a video on my review of this hair dryer. That is also down below. I believe that was a few months ago, but I will also have it up here, or is it over here, in my cards. Also with the review of the Cantu line. So what I'm gonna use now is my Tresemme heat protector. I love this because it has this little lock and unlock thing. And I'm just gonna spritz my hair. This smells so good, guys. It smells bomb. I love this heat protector because it smells good. And I like that it's a mist. I normally spray a little bit over spray because I want to make sure I have no damage. So all the products that's in this video will be down in my description. Don't forget to check there for all of them. So now I'm going to take my comb again, and I'm going to just comb it through. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the brush. I'm gonna put this brush on high setting. So I'm gonna clip up this and just work with this part. And it doesn't take that long. So it's off right now, as you can see, and I'm just gonna turn it on high. Hair's completely dried now. Scalp and all, you always want to make sure your scalp is dry with this brush because sometimes it misses it. Okay, now on to the next one. And tie this up. Like, it is doing the job, but it does take longer. If you're impatient, then do it the other way. I have a mirror right here, so I'm looking at my hair, and my hair is completely dried. This is how my hair typically looks when I blow dry it. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and also share and like this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.